This will be for the Khan assignment, complete solutions to two variable equations. So they want us to complete the missing value in the solution to the equation. All right, we have an equation with x and y variables, and they give us a coordinate point here. They give us one x or y coordinate. Okay, so this is in the form x comma y. All right, so they gave us the y coordinate is 8, and we have to plug that in and then solve for the missing one, x. Okay, so we're going to plug in y equals 8. So we start with 2x plus 3y, but we said y equals 8, and that whole thing equals 12. All right, and we have 2x plus 3 times 8, which is 24, and that equals 12. All right, we want to have variables on one side of the equal sign, and we want constant numbers on the other side. All right, so we have to do the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides. Bring down the 2x. 24 minus 24 just cancels, it's 0. And 12 minus 24 is negative 12. Okay, we have x times 2. The opposite of times 2 is dividing by 2. So 2 divided by 2 cancels. And x equals negative 12 over 2, which is negative 6. So just enter that number in the box. All right, so the coordinate that they give you, it's in the form x comma y. So whatever one they give you, you plug in for that variable in the original equation and then solve for the other variable. Okay, again, we have a coordinate. This is x comma y. All right, so we know that x is 3, and we have to solve for y. So you just plug in x equals 3. So we have y equals 4x, which is going to be 4 times 3 minus 9. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12 minus 9, and 12 minus 9 equals 3. So we just enter that number in the box for the y coordinate. All right, one more. Again, our coordinate is of the form x comma y. Okay, so we can see that y equals 8, and we have to solve for x. So we're going to plug in y equals 8. We have negative 4x minus y, so it's going to be minus 8 equals 24. Okay, we want the variable or letter on one side, and we want the constant numbers on the other side. So instead of minus 8, I am going to do plus 8. Okay, make sure you do the same thing to both sides. Bring down the negative 4x. Negative 8 plus 8 cancels. Bring down your equal sign. And 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay, we have x times negative 4. The opposite of times negative 4 is divided by negative 4. Do the same thing to both sides. Negative 4 over negative 4 cancels, and 32 divided by negative 4 is negative 8. Enter this number in the box.